welcome to Smithfield United Church of Christ. I'm so happy to see so many of you here today. I trust that you all had a great Thanksgiving. Today is the final day in the liturgical year of the Christian Church, Christ the King Sunday, the reign of Christ, whatever you want to call it. Next week we begin the cycle all over again with Advent, preparing the way for the birth of Jesus. So we're here today as a culmination, actually, and we're here today to praise God and thank Him for His Son Jesus. Now we're going to move around and say hello to one another. I've spoken to a few of you before service who are relatively new with us, and you shared with me how overwhelming this can be when we move around. And believe me, I get it. I absolutely get it. But the intent is not to make anybody feel overwhelmed. The intent is that we move around not only to be friendly, but to reinforce our staunch belief that this is a church for all people. We believe that all people are always welcome here, no matter what. And so we want to let one another know how happy we are that you're here. But the primary reason is because we believe that Christ brings peace into this world. Christ brings peace into our lives, and we want to express that one to the other and share that peace with one another. So may the peace of Christ be with you.
And also with you.